the choreographers to please join our mayors over here. Kaya ang choreographers will also receive a prize. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to announce the consolation prizes in no particular order. Again, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to announce the consolation prizes, meaning these are the non-major winners or non-major placers na hindi kasali sa top 3. The first consolation prize, again, in no particular order, is going to receive 100,000 pesos and the choreographer is going to receive 2,000 pesos. 2,500 pesos. The first consolation prize in no particular order is, thank you so much for joining and sharing your culture to the province of Leyte Magsanga Festival of Merida, Leyte, with their head of their contingent, Mayor Rolando Villasencio. We would like to call the choreographer. Choreographer, pero pwede dito. Choreographer.
All right. Choreographer, please, on stage.
Sige, pag wala, let's move on. Thank you very much. The choreographer po, parating pa lang. Choreographer Merida, please make way for the choreographer.
Opo, lahat po ng mga choreographer, please be on the stage now.
Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, the next consolation prize, again, in no particular order. The next consolation prize in no particular order again goes to, again, thank you so much for sharing your culture and tradition for the Pintados Kasadyaan. Himurasak Festival.
Congratulations.
Of
Himurasak
Matag
Festival
of
of
Leyte.
Matag of Leyte. Ayun.
We'd like to call in Mayor Bernardino Tahoy and its choreographer. All right, so let's move on. The next consolation prize. Again, they're going to receive 100,000 pesos and the choreographer is going to receive 2,500 pesos. The next consolation prize goes to Thank you so much for sharing your culture and tradition. Tabon-Tabon, Leyte. The Tabon-Tabon
Tabon
Festival.
Festival. Congratulations.
Mayor Efren Redonia in the house.
The choreographer will also receiving 2,000 pesos. Congratulations.
And choreographer, andito na si Mayor Bernie. Mayor Bernie is here.
Tatak-halawas han mga ninuno usang pagsauro nga marisyo pagdayaw pagsimba
Mayor Bernie. Mayor Bernie Takoy. He's also part of the contingent na sumayaw.
Tatakin kusog o kaupayan sugadin bata tatakin kalipayan pag-ampong nga kantaw sayaw kansang ninyo adihin kalinaw pintados pintados kauswagan kapatan kalinaw pagkalimutan pag-ampuhan katawhan.
There you have it. Thank you very much. Let's move on and call our next consolation prize. Again, this is in no particular order. The next consolation prize for the Pintados Kasadian Festival 2024, who's going to receive 100,000 pesos, and the choreographer is going to receive 2,500 pesos. We would like to thank you for sharing your culture for the Pintados Kasadian. Congratulations and thank you, Hiraiti Festival of Leyte, Leyte. Mayor Arnold James Isidoro and choreographer. Mayor Arnold James Isidoro, please. And now let's move on with our next consolation prize. The next consolation prize is, thank you so much, Batong Festival of Babatngon, Leyte.
Santo Niño
With their head of their contingent, Mayor Eleanor Lenny Bubalas Lugnasin, together with Vice Mayor Rosary Pearl Catucho and their choreographer.
kantaw sayaw
Thank you very, very much.
ninyo adihin kalinaw pintados 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 kauswagan kapatan kalinaw pagkalimutan pag-ampuhan katawhan. Tatak-halawas ang mga ninuno
Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, the next consolation prize for the Pintados Kasadian Festival 2024. Thank you so much. Consolation prize of 100,000 pesos, and the choreographer is going to receive 2,500 pesos. Thank you very much. Next consolation prize goes to Pasaka Festival of Tanawan, Leyte. With their mayor, the head of contingent, Mayor Gina Igonio Marilu, and their choreographer.
One more for the consolation prizes. Nako, hingkakabahan na.
We also have here the Vice Mayor Archie Kapunan.
Tatak-halawas ang mga ninuno usang pagsauro nga marisyo.
And of course, we would like to thank Tanawan Leyte, the Pasaka Festival, for sharing your rich heritage and tradition for Pintados Casadian Festival of Festivals.
Sugaring bata, tataking kalimayan. Pag ang bunga kanta o sayaw ng santo ninyo, halihin kalinaw. Pintados, pintados, kauswagahan, kamalaan, kalinaw.
Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, the last consolation prize, meaning the remaining festival contingent would be our major winners. Again, our consolation prize winner will be receiving 100,000 pesos and the choreographer will receive additional 2,500 pesos. The last consolation prize goes to, thank you so much for sharing your culture and your heritage and tradition. Thank you. Raul Leyte.
Dito hamon lugar, may adak karisyuhan. Sada natatapos sa amplasa, mga sayaw, kantahan, abot ngahan karisyuhan. Leyte ang lugar, iniyo makikita. Pagkauro sa halala, di sangkay bunyog kita. Kasadyaan, ray hakining karisyuhan. Kasadyaan, lipayhan at napatronan. Santo ninyo ang patron, buhos ni mo bendisyon. Kami Leyte ang ikaw, di ko
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is it.
may adak.
So we would like to request the remaining festival contingent or head of contingent of our festivals to please proceed in front. Opo. So we have here the mayor of Javier Leyte.